Rural folks, what are the things city folks won't understand? Weird noises in the woods? Deer. Glowing eyes in the shadows? Deer. Something following you down a dark country road? Deer. It's always fucking deer. You or someone you know has a personal vendetta against a wild animal in the area. Oh my gosh, yes. My dad's at war with a woodpecker. He's even printed out an info pamphlet on woodpeckers and wrote in big letters, "Know thy enemy." The amount of whirligigs and nets around the house is insane. Country life is slower than your lifespan. City, you can go year after year seeing new buildings pop up, business, events, etc. Country life, same county fair every year, maybe a new building every 10 years, new business 5 years, having your name and age listed in the local newspaper when you're pulled over for speeding and your family/friends get to give you shit for it because everyone lives to read the weekly police report. My mom texted me a few weeks ago to let me know that she saw my best friend in high school got divorced in the paper. You need to carefully plan out your shopping needs because the trip to Walmart or Home Depot might be a 2-hour round trip. I've lived in the suburbs my whole life and I'm a very forgetful person.